Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog clickers that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the PetSafe Clik-R Dog Training Clicker. The PetSafe Clik-R Dog Training Clicker easily earns the spot of our top pick. This particular dog clicker has been designed to be easy to use. It will sit comfortably in the palm of your hand, and even features a finger band to keep it in place. This clicker easily allows you to train your dog. It's simple and easy to use. All you need to do is press the clicker once your dog has perfected a trick or maneuver. Then give them a treat. This method will mean they learn fairly quickly that they've done something right, making them easier to train. PetSafe Clik-R features a compact, ergonomic design. You can easily keep it in your pocket when not in use, ready for the next time you want to train your dog. This dog clicker is also suitable for any age user, so your kids can have fun training your family dog, too. This clicker is also suitable for use with any age dog, too, so you can start training your dog right from when they're a puppy. Another handy feature of this particular dog clicker is that it includes a loop. This is so you can easily add a keychain or lanyard for you to easily keep your dog clicker to hand when you're trying to train your dog. Moving on at number 4, we have the HoAoOo Pet Training Clicker. The HoAoOo Pet Training Clicker with wrist strap is another great choice of dog clicker. This particular dog clicker comes with a strap that you can easily attach to your wrist. This means you're less likely to drop it and lose it. You can also have it within easy reach when training your dog. This particular dog clicker comes in a set of 2. This will be ideal if you want to keep one clicker at home, and one in the car for when you take your dog out for an adventure. This also means that if one goes missing over time, you easily have a second one to hand without having to buy an additional dog clicker. These dog clickers come in black and blue. These dog clickers are just the thing you need to train your dog. You can stop them from barking, train them for agility, and even give them obedience training. These dog clickers will give your dog the positive reinforcement they need to know they've been a very good boy. Another great feature is that these dog clickers have been designed to be durable. They won't break or rust, and will last you for many years to come. At number 3, we have the Oyefly Dog Training Clicker. The Oyefly Dog Training Clicker with wrist strap is the perfect set for passionate dog trainers. This particular product includes 2 different dog clickers for you to use around the home or while out and about with your dog. This will be ideal if you want to keep clickers in different places for you to use, or even to keep a spare on hand in case you lose one. These dog clickers come in blue and white. A handy feature of these dog clickers is that they come with an included wrist strap. This makes them easier to use, as you can't easily lose them once the strap is attached to your wrist. The strap itself is extendable, so should fit a wide range of wrist sizes, regardless of your age and physical stature. These dog clickers feature an ergonomic design. This makes them super easy to use, and means they fit easily into your hand. You also won't have to worry about causing repetitive strain injury if you use them on a regular basis because of the ergonomic design. The button of the dog clicker is quite loud. This has been designed so as to get your dog's attention when they've done something right. At number 2, we have the EcoCity 2-pack Dog Training Clicker. The EcoCity 4-pack Dog Training Clicker with wrist strap is the ideal choice if you want great value for money. This particular pack includes 4 different dog clickers in 4 different colors. You'll get black, blue, red, and white clickers to use as you wish. So you can easily replace your main dog clicker if you happen to lose it at any point. You can also keep multiple dog clickers around the home or in your car for you to use anywhere. These dog clickers all feature a handy wrist strap. This will make the dog clickers easier to hold on to when you're using your new dog clickers. A handy feature of the wrist straps is that they're extendable, so you won't have to worry about whether they fit your wrist size or not. Another handy feature of these dog clickers is their ergonomic design. They have been designed to be easier to hold, and therefore easier to use. They will fit comfortably in your hand, ready for you to use with your dog training. The button is easy to press, and won't get stuck. It produces just the right amount of sound for your dog, and isn't too loud or too quiet. The manufacturer is so confident that you'll love their dog clickers that they offer a unique guarantee. They offer a 100% money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied with your dog clickers. They also offer a lifetime warranty to give you even more peace of mind. And finally, at number 1, we have the Starmark Pro Training Clicker. The Starmark Clicker dog training system is the perfect choice if you're looking for a quality product. This particular dog clicker has been manufactured using high-quality materials for added durability. It's also been tested for health and safety purposes, so you can rest assured that it's 100% safe to use. This dog clicker features an ergonomic design. It fits in your hand comfortably, making it easy to use. This particular dog clicker also features a handy slot for you to attach a lanyard. This will make it easier to keep hold of the clicker when it's not in use without you having to hold on to it constantly. The Starmark dog clicker has been manufactured using stainless steel. This is a material that has been designed to be rust-resistant. So this dog clicker won't rust easily, and will last you for many years to come. A handy feature of this particular dog clicker is that it comes with a free step-by-step training guide to help you train your dog. This allows you to easily get stuck in with obedience training or agility training as soon as you get your dog clicker through the mail.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.